Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review these magnesium glycinate gummies that I got sent out for review. And these come in different flavors. This one is pineapple. This one is strawberry. This one is orange. Also comes in blueberry flavor and also in cherry. These are really good for you because they are sugar-free and gluten-free, okay? So let's just try this one first. It comes with a closed tightly lid, which is safer for if you have kids around, just to leave them out of the reach. Let me just open this really quick right here. And let's try one. These are the shape of it. These are the gummies and they are sugar-free, okay? So you're supposed to be taking 2 of these and it comes with 30 per container. So it will last up to a month, okay? So let's just try this. Not bad. It's really good. Even when it's sugar-free, it tastes sugary, like sweet. So in case that you are not eating sugar, this is very good for you, okay? Really, really good.